Hi, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to talk about evaluation of expression. Now, evaluating expression means what exactly that means is, let's say you have an expression is given. Expression is given to you. You know what expression is, right? You have followed the last two classes, so I would say you exactly know what expression means. So let's say the expression is given and the value of variables is given as well. So in this case, let's say you have two variables, x and y, and the value of x and y is given, and then they have given you an expression, just a simple expression. So you need to evaluate that expression, and what exactly we're going to do in that case is the value of those variables which is given, we're going to put those values into the expression to find the answer. Now, let's say in here we have the value of x is given 2 and the value of y is given 1, and I have the simplest expression I could have, x plus y. So what exactly I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to put the value of x instead of x in here and y instead of y in here. So that's how it's going to look like. So that will be 2 plus 1. So x is 2, y is 1, so the answer will be 2 plus 1, that will give me 3. So that's how you put or you evaluate the expression. So the expression could be more complicated. So let's say in the second one you have an expression says 2x plus y. Now the value of x is given 2, the y is 1, same case. So what you need to do is just need to put the value of x in here and y in here. So now this is very important. Whenever you're going to put the value of x or y or the variables, and if there is a coefficient, as I told you in the last class, coefficients are meant to be multiplying with variables. So right, so coefficient multiply variables. How are we going to write them? This is the way you write them. There is a way you write them. So that will be like, so let's say 2 is the coefficient, it's going to stay the way it is. Now x is given 2, you're going to put that 2 into the bracket. Make sure you put that into the bracket, very important. Now the value of y is given, which is 1, right? So the value of y is given. Now you know if anything outside the bracket you meant to multiply them, so that will be 2 times 2, that will be 4. So it will be 4 plus 1, and my answer will be 5. That's how we're going to evaluate this expression. Now let's say we have another example, 3x plus 4y. How I'm going to evaluate this one? So again, same case. What exactly I need to do? Instead of x, I'm going to put 2. Instead of y, I'm going to put 1. So how it's going to look like this. Say, so 3 and x is 2 plus 4 in the bracket 1. Now the first thing I need to do is open this bracket. So that what I'm going to do is 3 times 2, 4 times 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 and 10 is my answer. That's how you evaluate the expression. Let's do one more. So let's say you have a question is exactly same. So in this case you have 3 and 2 minus 4, 1, that will be 6 minus 4, that'll give me 2. So that will be the answer. Now let's say you have something like this. Now again, its bracket is given already. So what exactly we need to do is instead of x, we're going to put 2. So that will be 2 in here, and y, I know y is 1. So that will be 1 plus 2. Now first of all, you can say like 2 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. You can do either way, or you can say like 2 in the bracket, that will be 3, and it gives us 6. So that will be the answer. So that's how you evaluate the expressions, right? Now let's say if I have few complicated questions, right? Let's say these were the very simple and basics questions that we have. Let's say we have some like a little bit of complicated. How exactly we're going to do those questions, and the variables may be different, or the expressions will be different in this case. So let's see, let me see, like let's say if x is given 4, right? And y is given 3. And let's say if I have an question which is like, I have an expression like x squared plus xy plus 3y. Let's say this is the expression. Now what exactly I need to do in this case? What I'm going to do is, now instead of x, I will put the value of x, which is given already. Instead of y, I'm going to put the value of y. That's all I need to do. So let's say that will be 4 square. So instead of x, it's 4 square, plus instead of x, that's 4 is given, 4 in the bracket, y 3 is given in the bracket, plus 3 is the coefficient, y is given in the bracket. Right now, 4 square. See, the good thing is you are allowed to use your calculator in your exam. So use the calculator. You can use the calculator. Like, if you're allowed, definitely I suggest, or I actually advise every student of mine to use calculators. It's no big deal because it's there so that you can use them. So use them, right? So 4 square, what's 4 times 4? 4 square means 4 times 4. 4 cube means 4 times 4 times 4. Now, we have 4 square in here. That will be 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 4 times 3, that will be 12, right? And then afterwards, you will have 9. 3 times 3 will be 9. Now, you can see it's a simple calculation you need to do in here. So that will be like 16 plus 21. That will be 37 is the answer. So that's how you do evaluation of expression. Now you can try more questions, whatever book you are following, whatever questions you can just go online and check few questions down there. Just put evaluating the expression from easy to tough, and you will get plenty of questions. Whatever questions you are whatever book you are following, just go to that book, open that book, and do at least 25 questions. Yes, 25 questions you have to do. So that was the topic for today. And the next topic in the next class will be multiplication. So simplification by using multiplication. So that will be the next topic, and we're going to do that in next class. So listen, mind yourself, take care, and be safe, be healthy, be nice, don't be bully, and learn maths, practice maths. Let's make this world a better place. I'll see you around. Good luck. Have a good one.